I think the word classic doesn't even quite begin to describe just how awesome and influential this drum pattern is. It's badass. Led Zeppelin, John goddamn Bonham. So how do you play it? 1 and a 2 E, a 3 and a 4 E, ah. First of all, let's simplify. Eighth notes on the hi-hat. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Later down the line, you're going to make this trashy by just opening it just a smidge. But for now, for your sanity, keep it shut. Also, just for now, we're going to add 2 and 4 on the snare drum. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. Now the juicy bit. 1 and a 2 E. All your E's and U's are going to fall in between your hi-hat. So break it down. First beat, 1 and a. Notice how the first 2 bass drums sync up with the hi-hat. 1 and a. After that, you've got beat 2, 2, and then you've got a bass drum in between your hi-hats again. So 2 E. And conveniently, this is where we put the spare, funky snare drum on the a. So beat 2, 2 E, a. And there you've got it, in theory. Now, one thing you might struggle with here is the speed, especially for the first beat. It's pretty quick, and if you're struggling with that speed, check out the video I've done on bass drum speed. How many times do I need to say speed? But more important than the speed is that it feels and it sounds good. Then the speed can happen afterwards. Now, make that hi-hat trashy and hit the out your drum kit.